Ndị be anyị ndewono. Let's talk about this thing called Ingili-Igbo. You must have heard of this before now. It's simply a mixture of English and Igbo language. Okay? Some Igbo people tend to use this Ingili-Igbo whenever they are speaking Igbo. And lots of people are confusing this Ingili-Igbo to be the ideal way to speak the Igbo language, but it's not. Okay? For instance, when I want to say I like it in Igbo, I'll go by saying like it ya or I like it ya. Okay? Or when I want to say I miss you, I'll go by saying misirigi. Okay? And lots of them, many of them, it's really not the ideal way to say it. Like, the real way to say I miss you in Igbo is